G'day guys, my name's Alright Taz. This of course is Project Gilby, the budget bobber build, and ultimately today we're using that beast to drill out that baffle. And I've been talking to Mick from Southern Cross Survival. Check out his YouTube channel.
This is a video, Alright Taz. I wanted to just see how it is, how it sounds. So the baffles are out. I put the lollipops in, and yeah, this is how she sounds.
And check out the XV250 mods Facebook group he's created. I hang out there a bit, seems like a great bunch of guys worth checking out to get some advice like this. And Mick has drilled out his exhaust on his 250 and has created some lollipops to sit in there just to create the little bit of back pressure that the bike seemed to need. He found that it lost power by drilling out the baffles, and by putting the lollipops in we are getting the power back. So let's hook into it. Ultimately, I use the hole saw to saw out that baffle that I've drilled before, card, and then use these eye bolts to create the lollipop to sit there. Apparently it's only a 10-minute job, but I've heard that before, so we'll see. Let's get into it. Jesus, that is it. That is all it takes. Well, Mick, you are correct. Is a flappy paddle on a Dremel. That's the baffle there. That was surprisingly easy. So, while we're at it, we might as well do the underpipe. Gotcha. Right, so bought these 6mm eye bolts, $3.95. Just bought a second set of nuts. Drilled a hole through, 6mm. That'll post through there. Act as the mounting point for the lollipop. literally just stacking washers. Guys, that was actually a super easy job. You can see the lollipops in there. I've painted them black just to make it blend in a little bit, make it a little less obvious that the baffles have been drilled out. I suppose what you're all wondering is what it sounds like. Guys, that's pretty much all there is to drilling out that baffle and putting the lollipops in. It sounds amazing. It is a real step up from the drilling the 4 holes in the baffle. It's louder, it's lower, and it really starts to disguise the fact that it's a 250. It's not going to make it into a Harley or an 1100 V-Star or something like that, but it is a real good mod. It's very cheap, it's very easy. It takes about 20 minutes, half an hour realistically to get it in there, get it running. Guys, I can't recommend this one enough. So, my name's Taz, and I am out. I'll see you next time.